Okay, so my parrot friends are hanging out today. They were here in the masses earlier this morning. I mean, I'm talking there were like 30, 40 of them. I didn't have my camera out, but you see those two right there? Those two right there? They were totally kissing. These are very loving birds. Yeah, huh, guys? That's right, that's right. Yeah. You guys gotta come on louder. Louder. See the parrots in the background? Oh, look at, now they're fighting. They were kissing, but then they started fighting. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.